Ryan, I just wanted to. I saw this thing that I think you would be actually you make some extra bucks. Go to Play Store and then install Zedge, wallpapers and ringtones. Zedge, just search for Zedge. Okay, once you've installed it, uh, Zedge. Okay, you go there and then okay, now I want you to register so that you can actually also upload your what? Sorry for that ad. Come on, this ad also. Okay, anyway, so register for this thing. Um, and then you can also post wallpapers and you sell. So how you register, you must now register so that you can also post your create wallpapers and then you make bucks, make money from that. When you upload your things, then the people can uh, buy from Zedge, and then you get the funds there. Just use your email to register and so on. So just go in there and you go to settings and then sign in or register, I think for you. So I'll just sign in there, then I say continue with Google. Let me use my email. Okay, let me know when you've done it so that I can, so we can actually do it together.